You might have tasted premium Swiss cheese or aged Italian Parmesan, but today we are taking you inside the world's most secretive and expensive facility. This is the home of elephant cheese, a product so rare its price rivals gold. Join us as we reveal the full step-by-step process of how this million-dollar delicacy is made. The process begins with the arrival of the giants. Transported in high-tech, climate-controlled trucks, the elephants enter the facility. Safety comes first. A team of veterinary specialists conducts a rigorous medical screening. They check body temperature and blood quality. Only the healthiest elephants are selected for the next stage. Once cleared, the elephants proceed to the sanitization zone. Think of it as a luxury car wash, but designed for animals. Warm water jets and automated soft brushes remove every speck of dust. This ensures that the environment remains 100% sterile before the milking process begins. Welcome to the futuristic milking parlor. Here, human hands never touch the animal. Advanced robotic arms gently attach to the elephant. The process is quick, painless, and completely stress-free. Since elephants produce very little milk compared to cows, every single drop collected here is considered liquid gold.
Like a process.
The milk travels directly through sterile pipes into the laboratory. Scientists analyze the DNA structure and fat content to ensure premium quality. Once approved, the milk is pumped into massive stainless steel vats. Here, it is pasteurized at precise temperatures and mixed with rare enzymes to begin the transformation from liquid to solid.
One to load.
As the milk thickens into curd, automated blades slice through the mixture. The curds are separated from the whey and poured into large industrial molds. Giant hydraulic presses squeeze out the remaining moisture, giving the cheese its iconic round shape. After a bath in mineral-rich brine to enhance the flavor, the wheels are moved to the most exclusive part of the factory, the Golden Vault. Here, the cheese sleeps. Controlled by AI climate systems, these wheels age for months. You can see the color shifting from pale white to a rich golden yellow as the flavor matures.
Sim.
Perfection takes time, but it is finally ready. Precision laser cutters slice the wheel into perfect wedges. This isn't just food, it's a luxury asset. Each piece is wrapped in premium gold foil and placed inside a handcrafted velvet-lined wooden box, sealed with the factory's official wax stamp. From the factory floor to the cargo hold of a jet, these boxes are shipped to 7-star hotels in Dubai, New York, and London. It is a culinary masterpiece reserved only for the elite. Would you ever try a slice of this million-dollar cheese? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.